Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe with your family. Students, when we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are all known as heavenly bodies. Before starting lesson, let's see the interesting facts of the planets of solar system. Planets of the solar system. The 8 planets in their increasing order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They revolve around the sun in definite orbits. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. As Mercury is nearest to the sun, it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. The second planet, Venus, is the hottest and brightest of all planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or evening star. The third planet in the solar system is our planet Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as the red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. The fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1,300 Earths inside it. The sixth planet, that is Saturn, is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. The seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the sun, cold winds blow here at very high speeds. When we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. We can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny and faint. Many of them twinkle but some do not. The sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth, so we can see their round shapes clearly. The stars, sun, moon, the planets are called heavenly bodies. Try this. Observe the sky on 2 clear nights, keeping a gap of about a week between them. Base your observation on the following points. First one, the brightness of the heavenly bodies. Second, whether they twinkle. Third, their color and size. Fourth, change in their positions. On both nights, draw a picture of the illuminated portion of the moon and note how it changes from day to day. Stars, planet, and the solar system. About the stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is also a star, closer to us than any of other stars, big and brilliant. During the day, we cannot see other stars. Now, planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have the light of their own. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. The solar system. Our Earth is planet. Its light from the sun moves around the sun. The revolution of the Earth. There are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These all planets revolve around the sun along a specific path known as the planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it. The solar system. It is called the solar system. The solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Other heavenly bodies in the solar systems are: first one, satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. They are called satellites. Satellites to get their light. The moon at night revolves around the earth. A satellite of the earth. Most of the planets of the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Next one is dwarf planets. Some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. They are most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Asteroids. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. These also revolve around the sun. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in their solar system are much smaller. The moon is closest to the earth. It appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. A diagram of the solar system is given below on page number 2. In it, you see the sun is in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolve around it and their orbits, the planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are all part of the solar system. Can you tell? Look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following questions. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Correct, Mercury. At what position is the earth from the sun? At 3rd position. Which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Answer is Venus. 4th one, name the planets beyond the orbit of Mars in serial order. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. 5th one is, which planet in the solar system is furthest from the sun? Answer is Pluto. So we have completed page number 1 and 2 of lesson number 1, our earth and our solar system. So students, read the lesson carefully, learn the spellings of new words and do the homework properly. Thank you.